With so many options of shower panels out there, such as Untitled Revogo, Hapaby, Fcotu, Ravate, and more, how to choose the best ones you want. We have done a lot of research to find the top 5 best shower panels available. Based on our extensive evaluations of testing dozens of shower panels in different price ranges we have concluded this list of the best shower panels. Our top pick is a Untitled shower panel. Check out some more of our favorites below and read some valuable insight from the experienced editors. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best shower panel systems in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Untitled Wall Mount Stainless Shower Panel System. Material: 304 stainless steel thickened black finish. The material to prevent corrosion, brass connectors, high-end design, and explosion-proof hoses make this shower panel high-temperature resistant. With the black appearance of European and American style and the multi-layered electroplating passing the salt spray test, it can easily face the surface corrosion by humid environment in the bathroom. Multifunction shower panel system. LED shower panel tower system works by water flow, full-body jets, rainfall shower head, and temperature display that assist you to select the best water temperature. Multi-outlet switches which controls multiple combinations water effects, with jets, nozzles for power, mist massage, and handheld shower fixtures. This split-type shower panel includes 7 functions: rainfall, waterfall, massage jets, tub spout, handheld shower, temperature display, bidet sprayer. Shower panel detail: high pressure, easy to install and clean, hot and cold water mixing. It is more convenient to you, make you fall in love with such a convenient bathing experience. The pressure balance valve cartridge monitors water pressure balance to protect you from scald due to sudden changes of pressure of hot or cold water. Enjoy romantic bath along with the most soothing mood of our LED shower panel tower system. Number 2. Revogo 304 Stainless Steel Shower. The full-body shower system head provides a drenching experience with comfortable water flow and pressure. 8-inch wide shower face with 90 nozzles gives you more coverage, sculpts the water into that iconic hotel spa rainfall spray. Brass shower arm adjusts vertically to accommodate users of different heights. Easily adjustable positioning with tightening knobs. Hard water line scale buildup prevents your shower head from flowing at full blast. This shower head and handheld shower wand equipped with anti-limescale function. Not only the silicone rubber jet nozzles prevent the buildup of minerals, easy for blockage removal by fingers, but also self-cleaning needle technology removes scale. No need to worry about shower clogging. Shower panel with 6 gentle feel light spray jets offer warm and soothing water onto your tired and sore muscles, thus providing effective relief from muscle pain and leaving you feeling refreshed. The angle adjustable jets with 50 of adjustability in any direction can be angled to suit everyone, from the tallest to the shortest, for a truly customized shower experience. Number 3. Hapaby Shower Panel Tower System. Come with 5 comfortable shower modes: waterfall, rainfall, 2 massage jet areas, plastic handheld shower head, and bottom water spout. Rubber nozzles spraying soft mist or strong water to massage your body is non-clogging and maintenance-free. The shower head is also fit for pet washing or room cleaning. Color: silver, craft, polishing. The 304 stainless steel thickened panel, brass connectors, and explosion-proof hoses make this shower panel silver high-temperature resistant and leakage-proof to ensure superb quality. The elegant surface is anti-rust, finger-proof, and easy to clean. The silver color makes this wall shower panel system look high-end in the room or commercial places. Suitable for remodeling your bathroom, hotels, resorts, apartments to upgrade the room taste and enjoy a cozy shower after long day work. The first knob in the middle of the shower head panel is to adjust shower modes and texture on the surface for modes indication. The below faucet is for freely control the water temperature and water outlet volume. Wall-mounted design. All assembly accessories are included in the package, with pre-plumbed hot, cold water pipelines, reinforced pipes, standard plumbing connector, half-tube port. This multifunction shower system is quick and easy to install by yourself or a plumber. Number 4. Fcotu Shower Panel Tower System. This shower tower comes with blue LED on the rainfall, waterfall shower, and body jet areas. There are 2 red buttons on the side of the shower panel to control the LED. This shower panel meets all your bathing needs: LED rainfall, waterfall shower head, handheld shower, 2 LED rain body massage jet areas, and tub spout. All functions can only be used individually to ensure sufficient water pressure. Total height: 47.63, depth: 18.11. 5 years quality guarantee from FCOTEU. Please feel free to contact us if you find any problems. We hope to provide you with the most complete service. Any product quality problems can guarantee a full refund or free replacement. You can get new accessories or a new product within 7 days. Shower panel tower system is made of Sus 304 stainless steel material, delicate brushed gold finish surface treatment, to be durable and corrosion resistant. Inside of the shower panel includes the brass mixing valve and shower diverter valve. Wall-mounted design, including standard NPT half-hot and cold water lines, plumbing components. It's easy to install by yourself or a plumber. Number 5. Fuzz Contemporary Shower Panel. High-quality material, 304 stainless steel. Finishing tested at a high water pressure of 1.6 MPa. Products usually arrive within 5 minutes 10 days, so don't worry about the delivery delay. This shower screen contains 5 useful functions: LED waterfall, rainfall shower head, handheld shower, tub spout and massage jets. The display screen shows the temperature of your shower and your shower time. The shower panel can not only improve your shower experience, but also release your exhaustion and stression. Featured with durable ceramic valves ensuring there are no water leaks. Available to work more than 600,000 times at a water temperature of 90 degrees. FUZ Shower Panel Tower System provides lifetime warranty. If there is any problem with the product, we can replace it with new accessories or exchange new item. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will try our best to solve the problems to your satisfaction. Easy installation, mounting hardware included. We are equipped with mounting accessories you can quickly install and use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.